speak about partnership, we speak about a long-term business and long-term relationship. And we are in this type of business where when we enroll the customer into the business, it's not just for one shot. That used to be the traditional business of SCC, providing a one-shot business. But now that we move from the product, a traditional product to be sold, to a service, it means that today when we enroll this customer, we enroll for goods for long term, and the SLAs is much more important than it used to be before. And so the choice of the partner is a key, is a crucial in order to keep the customer in and to keep in for a long time. We always are in the situation where we need to make a short-term business and to provide and to find the right partner to make this short-term business, because the service level that we have to provide is not that important at the moment. Price is more the issue or the key issue on the deal. And when we speak about long-term business, we don't speak about prices here. We speak about services. We speak about continuity. We speak about really a long-term relationship that really make the customer in a position to trust SCC as a provider, but in fact entity on behalf of it as well. When you provide services in continuous, the trust is the only thing that keeps the customer in. With entity, for example, we can take a kind of a wide range of requirements and solutions with one partner. Then we add to that wide range of the infrastructure of the services of entity, we add our own specific services that provide the value of SCC on top of it. Okay, so entity doesn't provide the full solution; it provides only a part of it, and SCC is here to provide the full solution that really focus on the use case of the user. And the core business of SCC as a system integrator from the traditional business, doesn't change with the cloud. We have to change the business model of the company, the organization of the company, because the sales force need to sell solution with kind of a low level of value in the beginning, and in the long run, that makes a big value of it. Where in the cloud, you are like selling insurance, insurance contract. You sell little for a long time. And that changes the whole way of the mind, of the salespeople. And as well, you don't sell anymore technology. You don't sell the gigahertz. You don't sell, I don't know, the millisecond to track the data or whatever. You sell a use case. The relationship with entity it would be very interesting because it moves so fast. For example, enterprise cloud make me realize that you really rise up the level of services. We have standardized the virtualization of the server. We have standardized the virtualization of the storage. And now the last one is how to standardize the virtualization of the network. We always have to adapt the networks, especially for the customer and blah, 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 so it's not standardized at all. So SDN bring that technology to commodity. And enterprise cloud is very interesting, the way you want to go and what you're providing, because it feels to me that you really reach a kind of a full interoperability between the technology. Technology becomes totally transparent. It becomes to be just a portal where the end user can play with it and can organize himself, as he wants, without having any difficulties. The business change with the technology, and the technology make the business change as well. So it's kind of it's a loop.